Hello everybody and welcome to Rocko's Music Factory. Well today our pal Theo is here for some help. Hey there Theo.
Hi Mr. Stephen, and hello everybody.
What brings you to Rocko's Music Factory? Today, oh come on.
That was weird.
I know.
Well, Mr. Stephen, after dinner last night, I really wanted a cookie, so I asked my mom, but she said I couldn't have one. You see, I was like, hey Mom, can I have a cookie? I really want one. And she was like, no, Theo, we're fasting today.
Well, Theo, we Orthodox Christians did fast yesterday like we do on certain days. So we don't eat certain foods like cookies.
But does that mean that I have to fast too? Even when I want a cookie?
Well, that's something to talk to your parents and your priest about. But you know what, in the meantime, why don't we ask Rocko and see if he can help explain it?
Sounds good to me.
Pardon me, Rocko.
Hello.
Hey there. Theo here wanted a cookie, but his mom told him no because we were fasting. You think you could help explain fasting to him?
Okie dokie. And here we go.
I came home last Friday, I told Papa my day. I said, if you say so, may I eat some queso? He said, thanks for asking, but mijo, we're fasting. Remember today, we don't eat meat or dairy. We fast certain times of the year. It reminds us to humble our bodies and to look to where God is. It's not always fun, but it's muy importante to fast as we're able when we're at the table. If you want a chimichanga, you'll have to wait a little longer. Blessed are those who thirst and hunger after righteousness, because we are fasting, showing God we love Him more than what we eat, providing for our souls more than our bellies, and looking to join in God's heavenly feast. I must also mention to not pay attention to what others ate. Keep your eyes on your own plate. It does us no good if we're fasting from food, if we don't also fast from our sins and our passions. If you want a chocolate churro, you'll have to wait until tomorrow. You'll earn a blessing, I am sure, for Jesus fasted too. And so we are fasting, showing God we love Him more than what we eat, providing for our souls more than our bellies, and looking to join in God's heavenly feast. And looking to join in God's heavenly feast. By fasting we join in God's heavenly feast.
Should I get the hamburger or the peanut butter and jelly? Well, it is a fasting day, so I guess I'll go with the PB&J. But I'm coming for you tomorrow, Mr. Hamburger. Fasting possesses great power and it works glorious things. To fast is to banquet with angels.